You may have heard that vertigo is caused by fluid imbalance, ear pressure, or inner ear inflammation. But what most people don't know is that a hormone called PTH, often triggered by immune stress, may be the hidden link between chronic dizziness and sudden swaying sensations. New research reveals how 19 natural compounds can flush out this hormonal debris, repair vestibular signaling, and recalibrate inner ear fluid, all without medication, stimulants, or invasive devices. Let's break down the science behind this formula. Ligustrum lucidum, clinically shown to flush excess PTH and restore immune balance, reducing vertigo attacks by targeting the hormonal root. Sophora japonica, strengthens blood vessel integrity in the ears, improves circulation, and clears inflammation from delicate vestibular structures. A vitamin D and K MIPS, essential regulators of calcium and fluid dynamics in the inner ear, used to restore sensory balance and prevent crystal dislocation. Inner ear support blend. 15 botanicals studied for their effect on pressure relief, nerve signaling, and motion processing pathways. Together, these ingredients form a science-backed system that supports inner ear stability and vestibular resilience, motion sensitivity relief and visual motion tolerance, driving comfort and confidence, balance in standing, tilting and bending postures, sleep quality by eliminating nighttime dizziness episodes. Picture this: a microscopic animation shows PTH molecules being cleared from inner ear receptors, followed by visual restoration of nerve bundles and sensory canals. The result? A natural reset of the balance mechanism that operates behind the scenes of every confident movement. Tested over 10 years with support from neurologists, otolaryngologists, and chemists, this protocol is non-habit forming, stimulant-free, and fully tasteless. Users report swaying sensation relief within 72 hours and balance restoration within 2 weeks. Vertigo may feel unpredictable, but today, the science behind it is clearer than ever.